guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio, showing you the second card today, the second Christmas card that is, including a Christmas tip. Because that was what I promised you last week, that I would the coming weeks show you several Christmas cards and Christmas cards techniques. Now, I don't know exactly how to call this technique, so I thought I'd call it a border shaped card. I don't know if that makes any sense for you native speakers of English, but to me as a foreigner it does. So what you see here is a lovely sheet by Stamperia or Stamperia, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. And this is one of their beautiful unicorn sheets. It's different than the previous card that I made because I did a unicorn card a couple of weeks, I think, before this. So let me show you that here. So it resembles it. It's also Stamperia and it's also some kind of unicorn sheet, but it is a different collection. And I'm not sure, well, that collection of that card is the Wonderland collection, but I'm not even sure if this belongs to any collection. So this is more of a winter variation. It has some snow crystals here in the pattern, so it's more of a wintry variation on that same theme, the unicorn theme. Now I did add some stickles, as you can see here, but the main technique that I use here is fussy cutting, and not just any fussy cutting, because it is not a separate, I didn't cut the whole unicorn, but I left it onto the paper that it's part of, so I only fussy cut parts, like here the wingtips, and here between its legs. And then I had to fit it onto cardstock, which also gives it more of a sturdiness. So that is a advantage there. And of course the inside had to be matted as well. So there's some fussy cutting techniques for you guys. Fussy cutting and matting all at the same time. Here again some fussy cutting, but this is what you would call the regular fussy cutting. So fussy cutting an entire piece of a pattern and then adding that to your project. In my case, I lifted it with some dimensional tape, added some flowers just for the fun of it, and some stickles. So this is the inside of the card. By the way, this is also a one-sheet Christmas card. That is a one sheet of design paper to mat. So you only need one, but you do need a double-sided one. So you have some variation, for instance, for the journaling spot that you will write your wishes on. But for now, as I said, the tip is to create such a border shape. You would need, of course, a paper that has some pronounced part of the pattern that you actually could fussy cut. Now, how did I do that, and how did I fit everything onto this cardstock and make it all fit perfectly? That is what I'm going to show you today in a very short tutorial. So enjoy and let me know what you think in the comment section, and I will be back after the tutorial. guys, that was the tutorial. As I said, I did add another set of flowers here because I thought, well, that would make it just that little bit extra fun. But for the rest, and adding the stickles, but I left it the way I did it up, because that is showcasing what I wanted to showcase today. And with this card, so you could easily fit this into a regular envelope and put it into the mail. So let me know, guys, if you like this tutorial, if you think you are going to apply it to your own projects. And if you have any ideas for other video tutorials that are, well, that I can do quickly, that is, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I will see you next week. And next week I will show you a new folio album. So stay tuned for that, guys. And yeah, I will see you next time. Press the thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell for the notifications so you can get a notification every time I upload something cute. So bye bye. Thank you for watching.